Hello, this is session 8.6 on single sourcing. This is part of your Basics e-learning suite, the first step in your CPIM certification journey. This session is brought to you by MGCM. To better understand single sourcing, you need to know the context behind it. It starts with the importance of selecting the right suppliers. Suppliers are viewed as partners in progress in good supply chains. Suppliers are important for buyer organizations to help achieve efficiency and drive profits. Suppliers and buyer organizations share common goals of providing quality products to customers, providing great customer service, and sharing long-term strategic vision. When this is established, we can then take a look at the different types of sourcing. There are three ways to source goods and services: sole sourcing, single sourcing, which we're going to look at in this session, and multi-sourcing. So what is single sourcing? It is when goods are provided by one supplier, but unlike sole sourcing, other suppliers for the goods or services are also available. The purpose of this type of sourcing is to focus on a long-term and close relationship with a single partner supplier. Why do we use single sourcing strategy? It could be because of prior commitments, a successful past relationship, or an ongoing long-term contract. Or it could be because the supplier may be exclusive owner of certain essential patents or process, which we find a lot in electronic manufacturing services or the pharmaceutical verticals. Or it could be a given supplier has exhibited outstanding product or service quality or value to customers to deserve serious and compelling consideration. The order may be so small that it might not be worth splitting it. A supplier will be more interested to please the buyer if it has all the buyer's business. Or deliveries may be more easily scheduled with going to just one supplier. So this brings us to the end of session 8.6. Now, before we close, a quick recap of session 8.6. We started off with looking at the importance of selecting the right suppliers, the different types of sourcing, focused on single sourcing, and why we use single sourcing strategy. I hope this session has been able to shed some light in your preparation for the basics exam. This session is brought to you by MGCM.